What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. My name is Sak, and today I have something special for you guys. So if you just bought a brand new vehicle and you want to protect the interior, add an interior ceramic. It will give you the best protection to help prevent any fading, cracking, and add some UV protection onto your leather, vinyl, and plastic of your interior. Now, also, this is the easiest way. Why? Because the vehicle is brand new. All you need is a rinseless dampened towel, which I have one inside the vehicle with DIY rinseless wash. And we're going to be applying the DIY detail interior ceramic. So one bottle will last you about 3 vehicles if you're doing an entire, application of the interior ceramic like we're doing on this vehicle as well. So I'll probably run through this last quarter and probably just a little bit more of the new bottle, and that's it. It's that simple, it's easy, and let me bring you guys in. All the products will be down below in the description. It's a super simple, easy process, and this is not an end-all be-all, and it's not something that is just gonna be, oh, it's hydrophobic. No, what we're doing is just maintaining the interior and making it easier to clean in the long run. That's the purpose of it. That way, if you got any gene transfer or any dirt, grime, or coffee spills, it doesn't want to embed itself into the fibers, and it gives you time to go ahead and remove it off the actual, substrate of the interior. Same thing like a ceramic coating for the exterior. Dirt and grime and, iron particles will still get onto the paint, but it's just not going to embed itself as deep, or it's going to repel it a lot more. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I got, and I will see you guys in a bit, and we'll talk more about it during the application process. All right, so let's go ahead and just start the application process and the cleaning process. So I have my interior ceramic right here, and I have an applicator. This is the Auto Fiber applicator saver sponge, and right now the interior is a bit dusty. It's normal, and what we're gonna do is, this is a rinseless dampened towel from DIY Detail, and there's nothing much to clean. All we're doing is just removing the dust and giving it a bare surface. The DIY Detail rinseless wash does not leave anything behind. And yeah, so all we're doing is taking the dampened rinseless towel and just cleaning the surface. And then from there, you grab your second towel, and it's better to use a short nap side, and just wipe off the excess dust. There's literally zero protection on this, zero anything. It doesn't have that Armor All, feel of it being, slippery or oily or slick. So you want to clean everything in its entirety. Just wipe down everything with the dampless rinseless wash. And what this does, it helps prevent, like I said, fading, cracking, and discoloration of your interior plastics, vinyl, and leather. And it's not set and forget. You want to top this off during your regular maintenance washes with at least DIY Detail Interior Clean and Protect, and that will just help fortify the protection. And typically, if on this side, if you were to apply the interior ceramic on the driver's side, it will probably last about a year. If you do it on the rest of the vehicle and then apply interior ceramic and barely anybody gets inside your vehicle, it's probably going to last you about 2 to 3 years on it. It will last a lifetime. The wear and tear is what gets, is what breaks down the interior ceramic over time. Ceramic, just open up the spray, and from here, some is coming out. I like to saturate as such, and this smells like literally like Sharpie marker. So that's what it does. That's literally what it smells like. So let me go ahead and let me grab one towel. I forgot to grab one more towel, and let me grab that. Had to walk over. So from here, you just apply in linear motions. The panel is not hot, the sun is just now coming out, and then you just wipe off. This is the way I like to apply it. If I leave it there for too long, it does leave a little bit of a streak. But this is, again, I'm working outside, so it's gonna bond a lot quicker. The surface is a lot more, it's getting warmer. The solvents are evaporating, and you just apply as such, just like this, and just wipe off. You just continue doing this around the whole vehicle. Don't forget the steering wheel as well. This is what gets the most abuse. And you just apply it as such, just methodical. Do one half, now do the other half on the back side. And this will give it a nice little, I'm not gonna say it's gonna make it darker, but it will still leave a nice deeper sheen in a way, kind of like a satin sheen. And then you go ahead and just level off, apply it on everything, the buttons, and level it off. I'm not putting any pressure, I'm just literally just leveling it off with my other towel. Clean the buttons, give it that nice even finish. You really want to make sure you level off the button areas or where you leave, because you will leave some streaks if it's left there for too long. And that's about it. It's not much to it. If you get a little bit of streaking here and there, just make sure you apply more interior ceramic onto the area, and that's it. And it'll flash away into a matte satin sheen, and as simple as that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys how to apply it onto the carpets. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to apply interior ceramic on any, mat or carpet. Pretty much the same thing applies for the interior carpets and mats. It's the same thing what we're gonna do for this, driver's seat mats. A little bit of dust just flew down on this. But practically what you want to do with the interior ceramic is just saturate the heck out of the mats. So you just go ahead and spray. You really want to do this in a well ventilated area. So you saturate as such on one side, and then brush with one, in one direction. So pretty much what I have is, I do have a brush, but it's wet at the moment. I left it overnight, forgot to take it out. So you can use your hands or a glove. Don't use your actual hands, just a glove. And just brush the fibers all to one side. That way it gets into the fibers. And now you saturate it again, and this is my hand filled with ceramic, the glove. Now you're gonna saturate it again, and you're gonna brush everything else to the opposite side. And that way you get even coverage on the ceramic. And that is it. Nothing much to it. Now your carpet and mat is protected, and that's it. You just put it to the side, let it cure for about an hour or so. The longer it cures, the better it is. But yep, that's about it. So I'm gonna fast forward everything else while my cousin and I go ahead and ceramic coat the rest of his interior. All right, so we've just finished coating literally from top to bottom the entire interior, literally the carpets, the mats, the Alcantara seats, the headliner. We pretty much ceramic coated the entire interior, and we've used, again, I had just a little bit on this old one, now it's empty. Had about probably like here, less than a quarter. And then we use about a quarter of this one for sure. So this is just based on how much of the interior ceramic you're using. A lot of people don't go for this type of service, but I am doing this on my cousin's vehicle. And yeah, that's about it. It's just easy, it's simple, and that's it. Usually you'll get about 3 cars if you're just, using the interior ceramic just on the mats not the carpet, so just the mats, the dashboard, and the door panels. And you'll get, literally, you just use just about a quarter, but I ended up using more because we literally ceramic coated from top to bottom the entire interior. So yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. All the products will be down below in the description. There was literally only 2 products used, which is just the DIY Detail Rinseless Wash, just to go ahead and wipe down, and then we applied the interior ceramic. Use code DMS at checkout for 10% off. And the purpose of this is just to go ahead and prevent any spills, damage, and gene transfer, and prevent any cracking or fading on the leather, vinyls, or plastic over time. But you do want to maintain it with interior clean and protect. And yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.